If your check engine light is staring you in the face and you have noticed a sudden drop in your miles per gallon, you might be dealing with the P2A05 code, which focuses on the Bank 2 Sensor 3 oxygen sensor. This code is telling you that the downstream sensor, which sits after your catalytic converter, is not performing within its expected range, and this is a big deal for your vehicle emissions and overall efficiency. These sensors use zirconium dioxide and platinum electrodes to create a tiny bit of voltage based on how much oxygen is left in your exhaust compared to the air outside. While the front sensors are constantly jumping around to manage the engine, the back sensor is supposed to stay relatively steady to prove that your catalytic converter is doing its job of cleaning up the exhaust. When this signal gets lazy or goes out of spec, the powertrain control module gets worried and throws the light on. Before you go out and buy a brand new sensor, you need to make sure your engine is actually running right, because a simple vacuum leak or an engine misfire can send the wrong data to a perfectly good sensor. It is also really important to check the wiring underneath the car, because those harnesses are exposed to incredible heat from the exhaust pipes and can easily melt or get snagged on road debris. If the wiring looks clean and there are no exhaust leaks near the sensor, then it's time to use your digital volt ohm meter to check the resistance and signal. One professional tip to keep in mind is that if you find out your catalytic converter is the actual problem, you should avoid the cheap, low-grade replacements, because they often fail again very quickly and will have you right back in the same spot with the same code in just a few months. Taking the time to diagnose this properly ensures your car stays powerful and your exhaust stays clean without wasting money on parts you do not need.